see this mark sheet is prepared, and the 10 students, and here the 4 subject, and it marks the total, average, maximum, minimum, and also the result, pass and fail. If you changes anywhere, here the 4 subject, if you changes anywhere, then affect all available here, total affected, average affected, maximum affected, minimum affected, the pass or fail affected. See, this student I am putting here the, suppose here the 60. Now see, here changes, here or everywhere changes. Now see the changes, this one also, here the file. Also you want any other one, see here, if this one the fail, see the changes, maybe I am putting anyone, anywhere, maybe here 98. Now after that, see here changes, here changes, here changes, here changes, everywhere. Now this is the fail. Last initial is the fail, now it is the pass. So changing the value effect from the, because it is available with the formula, so changes the value effect for the all cells.